highs in the upper 80s. The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Marshall County in northeastern South Dakota, northeastern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunset Colony, or 8 miles northwest of Britton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sunset Colony and Westwood Colony around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Britton and Kidder around 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern South Dakota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown and Marshall. You're listening to